Hi guys, welcome to Short Notes. In this lecture, we will be covering up ethics and values, which is a deliberate part of UPSC Paper 1 in Engineering Services exam. The word ethics comes from ethos. The word ethos means character or way of living. Ethics is the branch of philosophy which is concerned with human conduct. Ethics examine the rational justification for our moral judgments, and it tells us what is right or wrong. It defines us how should individuals interact with each other in a fair manner. Now, ethics is generally related to two things. Number one, standard responses one should be making in a particular situation of necessity or time of action. And second, study for own ethical standards in order to ensure that they are reasonable and well-founded. Now, questions from this portion may arise from where has ethics came from? So ethics came from ethos, character, the way of living. And a MCQ question may arise that ethics is branch of philosophy, psychology, sociology, or engineering. So ethics is a branch of philosophy. Now talking about the relationship of ethics with few fundamentals. The first one is ethics with feelings. Ethics is not what a person feels, because feelings deviate from person to person and time to time. As for example, is attitude a behavior, thinking, or feeling? Attitude is neither a behavior nor a thinking, it is a feeling. It may change from one person to another person and from time to time for the same person. Now, the part 2, ethics with religion. One should not identify ethics with religion, because if ethics were confined to religion, then ethics would only be applied to religious people. Religion has three persons: atheist, who is a religious person; theist, who is a non-religious person; and agnostic, who is doubtful about the existence of God. Now in third part, we will be discussing about ethics and laws. Ethics is generally not related to law. Law में इंसान तब दोषी होता है जब वो कोई क्राइम कमिट करता है, लेकिन एथिक्स में आदमी सिर्फ अपनी सोच के लिए ही दोषी हो जाता है कि अगर मैं ये क्राइम कर लूँ तो वो दोषी है. Law is sometimes difficult and slow in new cases, but ethics concerns with natural justice. It is generally on bias rule, hearing rule and evidence rule. Bias rule ये कहता है किसी को भी हम उसी के अपने कामों के लिए जज नहीं कर सकते, उसके दूसरों के लिए कामों के लिए भी जज करना पड़ेगा. और हियरिंग रूल ये कहता है कोई भी कल्प्रिट है उसे एक बार बोलने का मौका दिया जाए और उसे अपनी सफाई पेश करने का मौका दिया जाए. और एविडेंस रूल ये कहता है कि किसी भी कल्प्रिट के अगेंस्ट कोई ना कोई एविडेंस होना चाहिए, whether in a form of human evidence or in a form of practical evidence. Next, we are having the relationship of ethics with social norms. Being ethical is not what society wants, because for one society, some laws are ethical and for other, same laws are unethical. Just for an example, Teen Talaq. It is ethical in Muslim community, whereas in Hindu community, it is unethical. Now next thing is ethics and morality. Morality can be an individual set of commitments even when they are rejected by others. Whereas in other hand, ethics brings other people into the picture.